So if when you turn your car on, your maintenance required soon light comes on, but you've already done the maintenance, here's how you can turn it off. So you want to make sure that your odometer is set to trip A, and so you can change that by just pressing this button right here. So you want to make sure you're set to trip A. Go ahead, turn the key off, and then you want to hold the trip reset. Turn the key back on, just to the on position. You don't need to start it. And you see resetting maintenance data. Give it a second, keep holding. It should blink, now it's done. So that should have reset it. You turn the key off and turn it back on again. You don't get the message to reset your maintenance. Your maintenance schedule has been reset, and of course that just comes on automatically every 5,000 miles. So there you go, that's how you reset it. Thanks for watching.